Ask ko lang po, mid-contract gusto ko na mag-resign. Makaka-apekto po ba yun sa next company ko or sa next contract ko? Hey guys, it's me again, Jed, and welcome back for another episode of Question and Answer portion coming from Marky. So guys, this is also a good question coming from Kuya Mark. So Kuya Marky, so regarding sa question mo, so parang case-to-case basis din yan. Kung gusto nyo mag-resign, it's your own will. Wala namang magagawa si company kung gusto nyo mag-resign. But of course, you have to tell them your reason kung bakit kayo mag-resign. But it's up to you kung ano yung sasabihin nyo kasi pwedeng personal matters yan or whatsoever, kung personal reason. And if you're asking me kung makaka-apekto yan sa company or sa next contract mo, I would probably say yes pag hindi mo siya dineclare na maayos, kung hindi ka naging honest, kung hindi ka magiging honest dun sa previous company mo kung saan ka nag-resign. Yun lang yung based from my instinct. Pag ganyan kasi, pwede sila mag-background check kasi yan pag nag-ano ka, diba? Pag nag-resign ka, yung new company na lilipatan mo, mag-background check ka. Then they will also know na pag nakita nila yung copy ng Siemens book mo, na makikita nila na hindi, let's say, hindi man kompleto, pero makikita nila yung stamp na bakit yan na lang, 1 to 3 months lang, ito, ganyan. Kasi hihingi sila ng certificate of work at SIMO. Yung parang work certificate, something like that, will be coming from your company na proof na nagtrabaho ka doon. So, they will ask you kung bakit hindi mo natapos yung contract mo, and then they will ask you kung bakit ano yung mga naging reason mo kung bakit ka nag-resign, and ano yung ginawa mo, and may pag-provide ka ba na papers or any proof na talagang totoo yung sinabi mo. So, yun lang naman. So, sa next contract, probably pwedeng maka-apekto yan pag hindi ka nag-declare ng maayos and hindi ka naging honest. And then, at the same time, pag swerte mo na lang din pag hindi sila nag-background check yung company na lilipatan mo. But, I think, as far as I know, magtatanong pa rin yan kasi kung bakit ka lilipat. Kasi lahat naman yan nagtatanong pa-background check ng company. So, nasa kanila na lang yan kung paano yung process na gagawin nila sa'yo. So, yun lang. I think better if you're gonna ask me, okay lang naman mag-resign, pero you must have, a valid reason, and just be honest and be true to yourself kung ano yung reason mo why you're pursuing for resignation. So, I hope I answered your question, and sana nakatulong ito paano nabigyan ito ng idea ko yung Marky. And if you guys have more questions, comment down below and I'll get back to your questions as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye!